So today, we're gonna do a salad because I fancy being a bit healthier. So we're gonna do a chicken and chorizo salad, and I've just kind of got some random bits and bobs that we're just gonna chuck in. So step one, chicken breast.
Chicken.
Chicken. I'm gonna do a quick butterfly. Do that, spread it. Nice little palm cut like that, spread it. That wasn't very good. Do you know why you butterfly chicken breasts?
Nope.
Chicken breast is real sensitive, isn't it? Like you can overcook it real easy. So if you've got that skinny bit there and then a massive fat bit there, that's gonna overcook by the time that's cooked.
Yep.
So if you whack it, it's all the same height.
Ah, that makes sense.
Cooks evenly. There's the messy mustard. By the way, all of this you can get from Lidl. So I'm just gonna salt and pepper. Then we got some chorizo. How do you say it?
Chorizo.
Chuck that in there as well. You don't need to cook that, but it releases some like oils that taste real good. Red onion. Already looking good. In. Cucumber. Nice little trick with these. Cut them in half. Center of a cucumber for salad is really watery. So if you like, basically just get a teaspoon, scrape it out, and then it doesn't water down your salad. Another little cucumber tip for you, get a fork and run it, like score it down there, and then it like looks all pretty.
You're making stuff up now.
Alright, look. Right, you ready? See how nice that look?
It doesn't actually, yeah, it doesn't even look like what you normally see cucumber like.
Yeah, you gotta mix it up a bit, you gotta play around with some things. Tomatoes are the best food in the world. Look, we're already looking pretty healthy. Red chilli.
It's definitely a switch up from last week's buffalo wings.
Yeah.
Yeah, big switch up.
Chilli in. Don't touch your knob. Basil, some herbs, we'll just put that in. Mixed beans. I just got a tin of that just for some.
Tin of Heinz.
Do you reckon you could go drain that for us, please?
Yeah.
You're a dog. It's a bit spunky, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Pequillo peppers.
They sound fire.
Pequillo.
Get them in there.
You know what I do?
Lidl, 99p.
Yeah, get some of them in there.
Oh. Let them rest a bit. We'll get capers. Doesn't matter about the water as well, I'll get some water in there. Olive oil. The juice of 2 lemons. Dijon in. I'm gonna go rogue, just to make it a bit more creamy. Bit of mayo.
Oh, that looks good.
Ah, the lemons in the cuts. Chicken. Just cut that up. Chorizo in. We'll get a bit of it in. We washed earlier.
Right, your salad spinner. Tory spinner.
Dressing in. What do you reckon?
Looks banging.
Yeah. Healthy lunchtime salad. Fork. Fork.
Oh yeah, that is banging. Yeah. You got that right lemony.
Banging.
Yeah?
So good.